As a running specialist with over a decade of experience tracking the evolution of footwear, I've seen the industry pivot towards specialized engineering for every lifestyle. The growing demand for high-performance footwear now extends beyond the track, as the extreme comfort and stability of modern runners appeal to typists and gamers who spend hours in stationary positions. This guide evaluates the industry's top performers based on foam responsiveness, build quality, geometric layout. Product number 1. Brooks Women's Adrenaline GTS 25. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 25 marks a quarter century of dominance in the stability category. For 2026, Brooks has refined its Go-To Support, or GTS, formula, making it more approachable for both high-mileage athletes and professionals who stand for long shifts. The standout feature remains the holistic guide rails support system, which acts like bowling alley bumpers for your feet, only intervening when your stride moves outside its natural path to protect your knees and ankles. Support and comfort. The midsole has been upgraded to DNA Loft V3, a nitrogen-infused foam that offers a softer, more lightweight sensation than its predecessor. Brooks added an extra 3 mm of cushion to the forefoot, which noticeably dampens road vibration. The 10 mm drop provides a traditional feel that assists with forward momentum, while the engineered mesh upper ensures your feet remain cool, whether you're mid-marathon or mid-gaming session. The verdict. This is the Goldilocks of stability shoes. Not too stiff, not too soft. While it's slightly heavier than a racing flat, its durability is unmatched. It's an ideal choice for overpronators or anyone seeking a distraction-free ride that prioritizes joint health over pure speed. Product number 2. Asics Women's Gel Contend 9. The Asics Gel Contend 9 is the ultimate proof that you don't need to spend $160 for a professional-grade experience. Positioned as a versatile daily trainer, this shoe excels at transitional wear, moving seamlessly from a morning jog to a casual office environment. It relies on Asics' time-tested rear foot gel technology, which absorbs impact precisely where most runners strike the ground first. Design and stability. What makes the Contend 9 punch above its weight class is the integration of the Trustix support unit and a wrap-up outsole. These features provide a rigid midfoot that prevents the shoe from twisting, offering a level of stability usually reserved for much more expensive models. The Amplifoam Plus cushioning in the midsole has been tweaked for 2026 to be more durable, ensuring the out-of-the-box comfort lasts for hundreds of miles. The verdict. If you prioritize value without sacrificing orthopedic integrity, the Gel Contend 9 is the clear winner. It's a reliable workhorse with a breathable jacquard mesh upper that accommodates various foot shapes. It may lack the springy energy return of nitrogen foams, but for walking and steady-paced running, its consistency is its greatest strength. Number 3. Hoka Women's Bondi 9. Hoka practically invented the maximalist movement, and the Bondi 9 is the pinnacle of that philosophy. Designed for those who want to feel like they are walking on clouds, the Bondi 9 features a massive 43 mm stack height. Despite its chunky appearance, it uses a new supercritical EVA foam that makes the shoe surprisingly light, preventing the anchor feeling associated with older maximalist designs. Geometry and ride. The Bondi 9 utilizes Hoka's signature Meta Rocker geometry, which creates a fulcrum effect that rolls the foot forward smoothly. This version has increased flexibility in the forefoot, making it more runnable than the stiffer Bondi 8. The widened base provides a stable platform, which is essential given the height of the foam, while the memory foam collar cradles the Achilles for a premium locked-in fit. The verdict. This is the luxury SUV of running shoes. It is the top recommendation for runners dealing with plantar fasciitis or those who simply want maximum joint protection. While the price point is high and the silhouette is bold, the recovery benefits and sheer comfort make it a favorite for long-distance walkers and marathoners alike. Product number 4. New Balance Women's Fuel Cell Rebel V5. If the Bondi 9 is an SUV, the New Balance Fuel Cell Rebel V5 is a nimble sports car. Weighing in at a feather-light 6.3 ounces, this shoe is built for speed, tempo runs, and those who prefer a snappy response from their footwear. It eschews heavy stability plates in favor of a PEBA blended fuel cell foam that provides incredible energy return with every toe-off. Performance and fit. The Rebel V5 features a Phantom Fit upper, an ultra-light bonded mesh that offers support without adding bulk. The geometric design of the midsole extends slightly wider than previous versions, providing a touch of natural stability for neutral runners. Its 6mm drop encourages a mid-foot strike, making it perfect for runners looking to improve their pace or for typists who want a lightweight shoe that doesn't feel restrictive during long hours at a desk. The verdict. The Rebel V5 is pure fun. It's the most responsive shoe on this list and offers a propulsive feel that practically begs you to run faster. While it might not have the longevity of a Brooks Adrenaline, it is the best entry point for anyone wanting to experience the high rebound super shoe technology at a more accessible price. Number 5. Brooks Women's Ghost 16. The Brooks Ghost 16 is widely considered the most popular neutral running shoe in the world, and for good reason. It's the definition of reliable. Unlike the Adrenaline, which has guide rails for stability, the Ghost is designed for neutral runners who don't need motion correction. This version has been significantly modernized with the inclusion of nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 foam. Transitions and versatility. The Ghost 16 is famous for its segmented crash pad, an integrated system of shock absorbers that ensures a smooth transition from heel to toe, regardless of how your foot lands. The 12mm drop is one of the highest in the category, which is particularly beneficial for runners with tight calves or Achilles issues. The upper is made from engineered air mesh that provides a secure, disappearing fit that requires zero break-in time. The verdict. For the runner who doesn't want to think about their shoes, the Ghost 16 is the answer. It's a set-it-and-forget-it daily trainer that handles everything from 5Ks to grocery store runs with ease. It's carbon neutral and built with recycled materials, making it a win for both your feet and the planet.